Where does the name for Dolwen come from? So today I'm in Dolwen. It's a small hamlet really, just outside Betws and Old Colwyn in Conwy County. The name's made of two parts. Dol, which is a water meadow, and you can find it in other place names like Dolgellau. And then we have Wen, which is the soft mutation of Gwen, which is the feminine form of Gwyn, which means white or pale. So it literally means the bright meadow. Anyway, diolch. Subscribe for more, give us a like and a share, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, check out my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Have a good one.